Raaonline is a premier medical e-learning platform with a global footprint. Raaonline's vision is to teach NCERT based NEET classes by the highest experienced national level star faculties. Raaonline's humble intention is that all NEET aspirants across India should have access to NEET exam preparation modules anywhere, anytime. Raaonline Neet Ug has 3 courses. Foundation course for 11th and 12th standard, in other words, for junior college students. Regular course for repeaters batch. Crash course for exam appearing students. Some of the Raaonline Neet Ug course features are 600 hours of high-definition video lectures, 45 questions chapter-wise tests, past year's NEET paper discussions, 10 grand exams, medical career counseling, handwritten notes, slides, 10,000 MCQs overall with explanations for test practice, more number of problem-based MCQs solved in physics and chemistry, online counseling for each subject, doubt clarification classes, national level ranking, 24/7 tech support. Learn NEET UG classes conducted by professional NEET training professors who are pioneers in their respective fields. Faculty details. Professor Sukhwant Singh has taken classes for over 1,30,000 NEET aspirants spread over 36 years of his career. Professor Anil Kumar Awasthi has taken classes for over 1,30,000 NEET aspirants spread over 35 years of his career. Professor Jyoti Prakash Nema has taken classes for over 1 lakh NEET aspirants spread over 33 years of his career. Dr. Neha has taken classes for over 40,000 NEET aspirants spread over 18 years of her career. Now NEET preparation made easy by the Raaonline app. Students can watch videos of classes and chapter-wise test series with clear explanations, access e-notes and slides. Raaonline has a robust back-end team for academic content, production, technical support, management, marketing, customer support, editing support, server support, end-to-end encryption, authentication for content verification, etc., so as to provide the best possible seamless and enthralling experience to users.